Take a ride in the 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go